me. That's me.
Man, I had the motherfucker riding that bitch. I was sleeping. So how you No, he said you gonna come on the carpet.
Boom, so let's check this out, man. This year the BET Awards went so crazy on the production side. Oh, thank you, Tony. That they got a whole bar on the red carpet. So they not allowing minors to walk the red carpet. So we just, we decided to just turn this carpet out here into the purple carpet.
Bitch, you make it brand new, bitch.
Turn up, sexy.
Hey, boom. Hey, somebody done ripped your out the plastic. Rip me out the plastic. You got that video on your phone? Send it to me. Send it to me. You got it?
I really like your music.
Hey, nobody throw it back better than you, Ice. Oh, God.
Fucking goofy, I'm joking. Finish. What's wrong with you? Finish.
Give me your phone.
I'm fucking funny like that. Get that sex. All right.
Do nothing, though.
Get my fucking phone, bitch.
See the words, I don't know. I'm trying, y'all. Hey, just as long as I'm here in your arms.
I'm like gorillas in the scoop. Finna pull up to the zoo. Boom. I don't know. For your blocks, we gon' run for the police. Gas what I smoke. Hands in my door, jump out the window. No, you can't get no money, silly hoe. I just hit a stain for the dough. For the dough, talking out his neck, pistol to his stuff.
What's good?
Wait. What is happening?
You won! You won, Mama! You won!
So I'm pissed off right now. Some stanky booty ass bitch just walked past me and farted, and it smell like eggs. You nasty as fuck, bitch. Don't ever disrespect a queen. But gonna walk past me and fart, bitch. Fuck you. This my sister, so she can hold my gun for me. Woo, child, I got one heel on, one heel off. Okay, you feel me? Very soon. Keep killing it, mama. I love you. And my man, thank you to my man.
Nah. Yo, Ray, you ain't eat at home?
I'm drunk, right? I just want to have a good night.